Hello everyone. Today we will see a very important topic called multiplication of two matrices. So here we will see multiplication of two matrices. Now as we have seen that in addition we add the corresponding terms, the same is not true for matrix multiplication. The first thing for multiplication is that number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of matrix B. So what I will say that ki A into B, AB is possible when number of column of A is equal to number of row of B. So if A, we will say that if A is equal to A is equals to, instead of I will say that, so if A is M cross N, A is M cross N and B is, so if A is M cross N and B is N cross say P or K, then A into B is possible. Have you understood what I am saying? That if the number of column of A, this M into N indicates the column of A. If column of A is equals to number of row of B, then M into N possible. And we get AB M cross P. That means my resultant matrix will have M number of rows and P number of columns. Okay, so order is very important. Here we cannot find B cross A, because when we say B cross A, then number of column of first matrix will be P and the number of row of the second matrix will be M, and they are not equal, so therefore B cross A is not possible. So for multiplication of two matrix, it is very important that number of column of first should be equal to number of row of second, and then we use the formula, I will say that, and then we will say that I comma kth element of AB is equals to sum of product of element of ith row of A with the corresponding element of kth column of B. Now it seems very difficult ki what is written. Okay, let us understand this with the help of an example. Say I have a matrix A like 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here order is 2 cross 2. Now it can be multiplied by another matrix B if its number of rows will be 2. So let us take it as 1 2 3 and say 4 2 1. This is 2 cross 3. So A cross B is possible. So I will write A into B is equals to, now here the formula is I kth element, I kth. Now here I am talking about A11. Okay, first element I am talking. So value of I is 1, value of K is 1. So it is sum of product of element of ith row. Ith row of A. Ith row means first row of A. So I have to use this first row of A and with the corresponding element of kth column. Kth column, here we have first column, So the sum of product of element of ith row means first row, we have to take the sum of product of the corresponding term of first row and first column. Then I will get the first element for this A cross B. Okay, see, carefully see how I am multiplying corresponding term and then adding. Product means multiplication. So here it means that this 1 is going to multiply with 1 plus, it is sum of product, then this 2 is multiplied by 4. So this whole calculation is your A11 first element. Similarly A12, if I have to find the second element A12, then for A12 first row, and now I have to see this second column. So that means this second element will be 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. In the same way, the third element will be 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Okay. Now I got A11, A12, A13. Similarly A21. So when we start with this second row, so here I have to choose the second row, and A21 means second row and first column. So ith row and kth column, first row and second column. So I choose second row from matrix A and first column from matrix B. So this 3, I will multiply this 3 with this 1, 3 into 1, plus this 4 is multiplied with 4, 4 into 4. Okay. Then this 3 is multiplied by 2, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 2. And last here it is 3 into 3 plus 4 into 1. Now we calculate. So this AB is equals to, here 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 4 is 8. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 2 is 4. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 2 1 is 2. Then 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4 into 4 16. 3 2 is 6 plus 4 2 is 8. 3 3 is 9 plus 4 1 is 4. So this whole is equals to 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 16 is 19, 6 plus 8 is 14, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is AB, product AB. Okay, I hope you understand how we are getting this AB. Okay, so let us start with the exercise. Before you start with the exercise, you have to go through each and every example of the exercise. Now the first problem, let us see the first problem. If A is equals to 3 4 5 minus 2 and B is equals to 2 4, is the product AB possible? If yes, find it. So here we can see that order, I will say that order of matrix A. Order of matrix A is, it is 2 cross 2, right? And similarly order of matrix B, it is 2 cross 1. So what we see, that number of column of A is equal to number of rows. So number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. So if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, so therefore we say that AB is possible. Okay. So always whenever you are multiplying, you have to make sure that number of column of A will be equal to number of row of B. Once this is equal, then we have to find AB. Okay, so AB is equals to First write A, which is 3, 5, 4 minus 2. Into B, we have 2, 4. So this is equals to, now see, this row, first row, actually if you see, here we have order as 2 into 2 and here we have order as 2 into 1. So your final product will have order 2 into 1, means we have 2 row and 1 column. Okay, so keep this thing in mind that you have 2 row and 1 column. So there should be only 1 column and we have 2 rows. Now first element, how you find? This first row is going to multiply with this first column. There is only 1 column. So here we get 3 into 2 plus 5 into 4. Okay, now there is no other column. This is 1 column, and here also we know that key there is only 1 column for my result. Next, this second row. So second row multiplied with first column, so it is 4 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4. So you can simply say that minus 2 into 4. Now find the value. This is 6 plus 20, and here it is 8 minus 8. So finally you get 26 comma 0. 26 0, not comma, 26 0. Okay, so the problems are little lengthy as you have to do so much multiplication and then their addition, corresponding additions. Okay, so this is our first question. Now let us move to second problem. Now here the second question, we have A and B given. We have to find AB and BA, and we have to check whether AB is equals to BA. So you can see that order of A is 2 cross 2 and order of B is also 2 cross 2. So AB is possible as well as BA is also possible. So let us start with AB. AB. So AB here it is 2, 5, 1, 3, and B. B is 1, minus 1, minus 3, 2. When we say AB, that means first you have to write A and then you have to write B. Okay. Now multiply. So here this first row and this first column will give me first element. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 5 into minus 3, it is minus 15. But let us write in detail, that is write 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 3. Then second element 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2. In second row it is 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3, and here it is 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. So this is equals to what we get? 2 into 1, 2 minus 5 3 is 15. Then this is 1 minus 3 3 is 9. Here we get minus 2 plus 10, and here we get minus 1 plus 6. So this is equals to, now 2 minus 15 we get minus 13, minus 2 plus 10 we get 8, 1 minus 9 we get minus 8, minus 1 plus 6 we get 5. So this is A into B. Okay, let us find B into A also. B into A. So for B we will write this B part first. 1 minus 1. Write this B part first, which is 1 minus 1 minus 3 2, and then this is multiplied by 2 5 and 1 3. 2 5 and 1 3. Okay, so we have to get this product. So this is equals to, here in the same way, 1 multiplied by 2 plus minus 1 multiplied by 1. This is first element. Then 1 multiplied by 5 plus this minus 1 multiplied by 3. In the second row it is minus 3 multiplied by 2 and plus 2 multiplied by 1. Then here minus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Yes, this first row with first column, first row with second column, then second row with first column and second row with second column. This is your multiplication. So this is equals to, now 1 into 2 you get 2. Here it is minus 1, 2 minus 1. Okay, so we should not put too much gap between them. It is 2 minus 1. Then 5 into 1, 5, and this is minus 3. Here it is minus 6 plus 2, and here it is minus 6 plus minus 15. Sorry, it is minus 15. Minus 15 plus 6. So this is equals to 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, minus 15 plus 6 is minus 9. So this is B cross A. Let us say this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. So this equation 1 and equation 2, we are getting here minus 13, 8, minus 8, 5, and here we are getting 1, 2, minus 4, minus 9. So are they equal? Obviously not. So what we get here, that from 1 and 2, AB is not equal to BA. Okay, so let us see the question. If A and B is given, we have to find AB and BA, and is AB is equals to BA. So answer is AB is not equal to BA. Okay, now let us move to third question. Now here the third question, we have given A, B and C, and we have to find value of A cross B minus 5C. So let us first find A cross B. A cross B is, you write A, that is 3, 7, 2, 4. You write into B, that is 0, 2, 5, 3 is equals to, you write their product. So let us write here down. 3 into, you get 3 into 0 plus 7 into 5. Okay, then here you get 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3. In second row you get 2 into 0 plus 4 into 5, and here it is 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Yes, is it clear? First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. That will give me multiplication. So this AB, A into B, we get 3 into 0, 3 plus 7 5 the 35. So this is 3 plus 35. Here it is 0 plus 20. Here it is 3 to the 6 plus 21, and here it is 2 to the 4 plus 12. So this is equals to, now this is 38 and this is 27, and here it is 20 and here it is 16. So this is AB. Now what I have to find? AB minus 5C. So therefore AB minus 5C is equals to, now I will write AB, which is 38, 27, 20, 16 minus 5 times I will write the value of C is 1 minus 5 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 5 minus 4 and 6. Okay, so this is equals to, now 38, you get 38 minus 5. Here you get 27 plus 25. Here you get 20 plus 20. Okay, what I am doing, this 5 is first going to be multiplied by all these numbers and then it is going to be added. Means if you multiply by 5 or you multiply by 5 and then subtract, this is minus sign. So this 38 minus 5 we got here 38, minus minus we got plus, okay, like that. Here 20, this minus minus it will become plus 20, and then here it is 16 and minus 5 into 6 it is minus 30. Okay, so this is equals to finally 38 minus 5 is 33, 20 plus 20 is 40, 27 plus 25 52, and 16 minus 30, so 16 minus 30 is 30 minus 16, so we get 4, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is minus 14. Okay, so this is your final answer of AB. This is your final answer for AB minus 5 times C. So AB minus 5 times C is this expression. This is the third problem. Okay, let us see the fourth one. Now this fourth problem, A is given, B is given, we have to find A into BA. So first what you do? First you will find B cross A. So let us find BA. So BA will be, I will write B first, which is 2 1 1 2, and then we write A, which is 1 2 2 1. So this is BA. So BA is equals to, now here element by element we multiply. 2 into 1 it will be 2, plus 1 into 2 it is 2, then 2 into 2 it is 4, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Now in second row, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, then 1 into 2 is 2, and 2 into 1 is 2. So this is equals to, now here finally 2 plus 2 we get 4, 4 plus 1 we get 5, 1 plus 4 5, and 2 plus 1 3. So this is our BA. Now what I have to do? I have to find A into BA. So A into BA, first I will write A, that is 1 2 2 1. 1 2 2 1. This is A. Then I write BA. BA is 4 5 5 3. This is BA. Now A into BA. Here we multiply and we get this first row with this first column. So what we get? 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. Here we get 1 into 5 plus 2 into 3. And second row we get 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. Here we get 2 into 5 plus 1 into 3. This is equals to, now answer is 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 5 10, here it is 1 into 5 5, 2 into 3 6, 4 to the 8 plus 5, and 2 5 the 10 plus 3. So finally the answer is 14, 5 plus 6 11, 8 plus 5 13, 10 plus 3 13. So this is A into BA. Okay, now I hope now you are much more comfortable in finding the products of the numbers. Let us see last question for this lecture, question number 5. Now here this last question, for the matrix A, B and C, we have to find the product ABC and ACB, and we have to check whether they are equal or not. So to get ABC, we can first multiply this AB and then we multiply that AB with C, or we can multiply this BC and then we multiply this BC with A. Okay, any order you will follow. Let us follow from left to right. Find it A into B first. So this A into B is A, we will write 2 1 4 2, and then B is 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, and this is equals to, let us see whether we can write here, it is 2 into, this is 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Now this dot which I am writing, it is not decimal, but it is multiplication. But to avoid confusion, let us write in multiplication form only. 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Then this is 2 into 4, then plus 1 into minus 2. In the second row we have 4 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1, and then here we have 4 into 4 plus 2 into minus 2. Okay, so this is A cross B. We get 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1, here 2 4 the 8 minus 2, here it is 4 3 the 12 minus 2, and last 4 4 the 16 minus 4. So this is equal to, so finally answer will be 6 minus 1 5, 8 minus 2 6, 12 minus 2 10, and 16 minus 4 12. Now this is AB. Okay, what we have to find? ABC. So therefore ABC will be equal to, AB we got the value of AB which is 5, 6, 10 and 12, and C, here the value of C is minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2. Okay, so let us check this product. So it is 5 into minus 3 plus 6 into 0, and here it is 5 into 1 plus 6 into minus 2. The second row will be 10 into minus 3 plus this is 12 into 0, and here it is 10 into 1 plus this is 12 into minus 2. So this is equals to, now this is equals to, this 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 plus 6 into 0 0, 10 into minus 3 it is minus 30, so this is minus 30, here 5 into 1 5, minus 6 to the 12, here 10 into 1 10, minus 12 to the 24. So this is equals to minus 15, 5 minus 12 is minus 7, this is minus 30, 10 minus 24 is minus 14. So now this is the value of ABC. Okay, this is the value of ABC. So we got ABC. Now next we have to find ACB. So ACB, for that we will find first AC. So let us take this as equation 1. Now let us multiply AC first. So the value of A we will write AC 2142, it is 2142, and C is 2142. Okay, C is minus 310 minus 2. Okay, this is A into C. Okay, so this product, this is equals to, here 2 into, we say that 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 0, here we get 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2. The second row will be 4 into minus 3 plus 2 into 0, then here it is 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. So this is equals to, now this is equals to 4 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 0, here it is 4 into minus 3 minus 12 plus 0, here we get 2 minus 2, and here we get 4 minus 4. Okay, so the result we get is minus 6 minus 12 0 0. Okay, then we have to multiply this AC with B. So AC into B, the value of AC we got minus 6 0 minus 12 0, and the matrix B, if you see matrix B is 3 4 minus 1 minus 2. It is 3 4 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so this product is, it is minus 6 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1. Here we have minus 6 into 4 plus 0 into minus 2. Then here we have minus 12 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1, and here we have minus 12 into 4 plus 0 into minus 2. So this is equals to minus 18, here it is minus 18 plus we have 0 here, and here we have minus 36 plus 0. 6 for the, here we have minus 24 plus 0, here we have minus 48 plus 0. Okay, so this is equals to minus 18 minus 24 minus 36 and minus 48. Okay, so this is ACB. So what you can say for ABC and ACB? So let us check what we got. ABC is minus 15 minus 7 minus 13 minus 14. So they are not equal. Okay, so what we can say, that from 1 and 2, you can say that from 1 and 2, this ABC is not equal to ACB. This is our conclusion, right? Okay, so you understood how you can multiply 2 matrix as well as how you can multiply 3 matrix. Only one thing you have to take in mind, that the number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of second matrix for any multiplication to happen. Yes, okay. So thank you for now. We will see you in next class with few more questions.